Alright, so we look at this question here. Like I said, with the signed area part, we're just looking for the, I don't care if it's negative or positive, this is the process. We're just looking for the area between two functions. With the way that we're doing it lately, we don't even care if it's which function's on top and which function's below. But because we've sketched it, these are both pretty simple functions, so to get that sketching mark, which is quite appropriate here, we can see which function's on top. Which function's on top, fx or gx? Which one? fx. So we would go the area equals the integral of fx minus gx. We need to find what first. Before we can go any further, we need to find what? Intercepts. So we let fx equal gx, and we solve for our x value. 0 equals x squared minus x minus 2, which we know, I'm just going to do that as a bracket, x minus 2, x plus 1. What does that tell us? The bounds of our function are between -1 and +2. Cool? Which we can also see from our graph. So the area equals the integral of -1 to 2 of x minus x squared minus 2 dx, which equals, well, I don't do it that way, square brackets. Square brackets x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 minus 2x plus c. Why do I need those brackets there? Negative's got to go into both, correct? So our final thing should be x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 plus 2x plus c. I forgot to put my bounds. And now I simply shove my values in. Cancel. We've got 2 minus 8 over 3 plus 4 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 plus 1 over 3 minus 2. We'd use our understanding of fractions and we can subtract those. What do we get as the final answer? What do you get? 27/3. I get -10/3 minus, that'll be 5/6 minus 7/6. Is that correct? Which gives us -20/6 plus 7/6. Or is that minus? No, it should be plus, which equals have I made a boo-boo?
Yeah.
Where's my boo-boo? Where's that?
I think it's -10/3.
Oh no.
Isn't it -4? In the,
This one?
yeah. You went from negative to oh no, never mind.
Where's my boo-boo? I think it's in this one.
So you have +2 or +4, right?
Yep.
And then you have -2, so that'll leave you 4, and then if you look to the fractions, right, it'll be 4 take 9 on 3 take a half.
4 take 9, where?
Because you do 8 on 3, negative 8 on 3, take 1 on 3 is 9 on 3, right? Negative 9 on 3.
Yep.
So it'd be like taking 3, so it'd be 4 take 3, so it'd be 1 take half. Correct?
I treated this as 6, which is 18 over 3, minus 8 over 3, which is negative 10 over 3. Oh, it's positive, that's why.
Yeah.
Positive 10 over 3, 20 over 3 is 27 over 6, which equals 4.5 units squared. Cool? Check that on your calculator, should be nice and easy to do that. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Clear as mud?
Just
Or not? How do we get the marks? Mark for that, mark for your formula, mark for finding your intercepts, mark for solving, mark for your answer, mark for unit squared. 3-mark question. Cool? If we're doing it on a tech active exam, may get that, may not. You'd sketch it, you'd find you wouldn't even need to, you'd set this up, you wouldn't need to go through all of that pain, you would just go through your final answer. 2-mark question. Cool? So go through and check it on your calculators, make sure you get that same answer. And you know how to do it on your calculator, that's what we're really doing here.